So how to fix messenger call ended? First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find every single app that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find the messenger app right here and click on force stop. After that, click on storage right here and click on clear data, click on delete to delete all the informations inside the app. Go back and then click on the data usage. Now right here, all what you want to do is disable the roaming data like this and make sure that the background data and the Wi-Fi and the mobile data are enabled. Go back again and now all what you want to do next is very simple. Just go to the permissions right here and make sure to enable every single permission. This is a very important step. And after you finish, just click on force stop and congratulations. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.